Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Smart pet feeder. Let's see what's in here. Bam, check it out. Well, we'll pull everything out and take a look at it. All right, this is everything that comes with it. You get a block, which is nice. USB to USB-C. Then you get this little thing right here to put around your cat's head or neck or whatever. All right, so let's put that there. Then you get 3 of these, and I think they go kind of like that. And then it opens up like this, and then I guess you can put the different, little things in here so that your cat can come and get it. And once it's eaten, it moves around, all right? And so you can see the bottom of it here. Let me flip it over. Check it out. Here's where you plug it in, and here's where you turn it on. And that's it. That's pretty much it right there. I mean, the thing's pretty simple. It does come with a manual, and it gives you this quick start here. You guys can screenshot that. But that's basically everything that you get with it. Now we just got to set it up and let the cat enjoy its food.